I was just repotting my Pachyphytum Baby Finger here, and I had a light bulb moment. I thought it's a good time to do, or maybe I should start a quick tip playlist or quick tip videos. So this will be short videos wherein I show you quick tips. So this is Pachyphytum Baby Fingers, or Machucae. I think that's how you say it, Machucae. Machucae. Machucae? Is it Machucae or Machucae? Anyway, Machucae here has got a soil that's very, very sandy. So these are sandy soil. Look at that. They planted in sandy soil. And so now I'm going to remove this. Take this off. Shake off all the soil. And as I'm shaking it off, I am removing some leaves in the bottom. Time to propagate, propagate and propagate. Okay, so there you go. They grow really fast, so, and might as well separate the two, and then that way they can have their own room to grow. See, the bottom is all sort of dry anyway, the bottom leaves, but never the who. We're gonna take more off. And this is my master succulent soil mix, and there you go, one. Now that one, anything that's sort of drying out anyway, might as well remove that, because I could soak it and revive it, but still I'm trying to reach down in the bottom. And this is just a straight master succulent soil mix. No frills, no fancy things went on in here. Okay, so now that it's like that, okay, now I'm gonna put my dressings around, and that should do it. Cover any exposed soil and shake, shake, shake. We'll take all these leaves that I've taken from there. I could grow it indoors under the grow light. It will grow much faster, but I am already preparing for my trip, gold and gemstone prospecting trip. We usually go every winter, so I won't be here for the next 3 or 4 months. So while we're away, I can't have the grow light on because my daughter will forget to turn it off, and in case the house burns down, touch wood. Now this one, I'm going to leave it here, scatter it all in here, and they will just germinate on their own. I forgot to take the label, and while I forgot to take the label, the soil, by the way, what I do with the soil, I put it, because it's all nice and gritty, this is what I use to add into my cactus mix, so I don't throw them away. So that plant has been under observation for about a couple of weeks, and there was no issues with the plant, so it tells me, and no bugs, no nothing, so it tells me the soil is clean and healthy. So that's what I use for my cactus mix. Now Pachyphytum Baby Fingers, or Machucae, is quite frost hardy, so I'm gonna put it here, and it will still get partial direct sunlight in the afternoon, but that's already acclimatized because I've had it growing in my 50 zone area for the last couple of weeks. So this is where it's going to stay, and then I am going to water that in about a week's time. So I'll let it callus off, especially these babies that are sitting here, or that one too. I might as well remove that because, oh no, I'll leave it in the soil, so that way something else can grow on the side of it, side shoot. Now, so I leave it here like that and water it after a week. So this is now a week later, so I'm just watering the whole pot with leaves and all. Really soak it, like really saturate the soil. And Machucae is the same as Sidowski. They love water. So I'm just using a seaweed, not a seaweed GSwLK. This is a seaweed conditioner that I'm using to water them in. Any seaweed fertilizer or seaweed base, soil conditioner, plant conditioner is good. Okay, so it's already dripping down into the plant below. Fly to the sky over there, which has a lot of babies. I might as well water you. And my silver queen while I'm at it. And my other plants, which needs watering.